He's there once again. What is his problem? What is he doing? He's eating! I see, he is eating. But why? Secret message. Is there any birdies? No, there's not. But there's a squirrel. That means trouble. Why is he eating? Ugh. Okay. Obviously, he's boring, so we're gonna ignore him. Where are the birdies? They refuse to come. He was zooming in on a squirrel. Zooming in. There's another one in the tree. Where'd it go? Is that it? Yeah, there it is. It's ugly, too. Where'd it go? Oh, there he is. Oh, maybe they're friends. Whoa. Where'd it go? Oh, right there. Da -da -da -da. He is hungry, gosh. Okay, anyway. Yeah, okay. As you can see, birds are not in HQ because of the squirrel. He is going to eat them, or kill them, or eat all their food. Maybe there's more squirrels. No, it's a squirrel, yeah. It's a squirrel. Oh, it's moving. Maybe it's gonna run. No, he's boring. Okay, this is the end of Secret Birds. Do 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 do.